Hey everybody, Christy here with Little Roots Ranch, and it's snowing! Oh, it's so exciting! The cars are covered with snow. This is a wood chip pile we just had delivered. And this up here is what we call the people garden, because it's next to the house. Every garden is named by what animal it is near. You can see some kale. Oh, where's my finger at? There we go. Some kale here. Over here is collard greens, more kale in the back, some Brussels sprouts. Everything's mostly covered with the snow, some onions, all that stuff. But look how pretty! Woohoo! It's snowing! I'm so excited. But anyways, today I'm gonna have you come with me to feed some animals in the snow and see everybody, get a little tour-ish of the farm. Up there where the trees are here, we're going to put a farm stand at some point and sell vegetables from there. But yeah, come along with me to come feed the animals and see everybody in the snow. So here are our baby ducks. Hi, ducky poos. Oh, they're like, do we want to go out in the snow? Do we want to go out in the snow? Oh, there's Kiwi. Kiwi's always the first. Go, Mama, go. Go, Mama, go. They said, hey, where's my pond at? Where's my pond at? Hi, baby ducks. Hi, baby ducks. So here they're baking. Obviously the ice was frozen, so they're making their way through that. And then by this afternoon, this whole pond will be all water. Oh, latecomer. Hi, baby ducks. Hey! Oh, everything looks so pretty in the snow. Let's see here. Going down. Gonna feed the sheep. Already did the ducks here. Let's see. The ducky poos. I don't know if you can see them there. And then our little wood chip pile. Pumpkin acres where we grew pumpkins. Also old sheep pasture. And then this is a little creek that we have that runs through here. Really convenient for filling up the water. Let's see. Whenever I feed the animals, I always do the sheep first, then the pigs, then the chickens. So we're passing chickens right in there, but that's okay. They're gonna wait. So our sheep over here, this is their main place where they live. And hi, babies. This is their main area, and they're hungry and they know it. They're like, we don't want a camera. They've got a nice warm house, but they prefer to be outside because they're crazy. Huh. So over here is what we call the chicken garden, because it's right next to the chicken coop. And there, sorry, I haven't given the sheep hay yet, so it might get a little loud. There's the greenhouse. Let's see here. There is the beautiful greenhouse. It's so lovely. Then we've got over there what we refer to as the pig garden, because it's, as you could hear those dinosaurs back there, that's the pigs. And over here is the sheep garden, because it's next to the sheep. And the sheep kind of rotate. That's why you see those fences, that we rotate and pop up pastures for them. Hi, sheep. Hi, sheep. Oh, they're so cute. Hi, babies. Okay. So, as you can hear, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, whatever, T-Rex back here. They are the piggies. The Piggly Wigglies. Hi. They're back here in Pig Forest. They've got their own little forest here. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi. Let's see if we can put this somewhere. Will this hold it? I don't know. Let me see here. Let's see. In the moment, so I'm sorry, I apologize. Oops. Okay. There we go. Get down, big boy. Get down. No be bad pig. Good boy. Okay. So, going to be feeding them. On this cold day. Come here, big boy. There you go. All right, I feed our boar first. Then I'm gonna feed our girls. I don't know if they'll go off camera view. They like to eat over here. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. And there's all the pigs eating. Okay. Get this knocked down. I don't know if you can see, but so these are the pigs. All right, so we're back to the sheep. My beautiful wife grabbed some hay. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Breakfast time? Breakfast time? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Hi. Hi. Oh, the sheep's getting some food. Huh? Yeah. Hi. Okay. Bye, sheeps. I gotta go feed the chickens and turkeys. Here are the baby birds. Oh, there's turkey. Hi. Oh, 2 turkeys. Hello. Oh, who's big boy? Are you gonna fly like that too? You gonna fly like that too? Huh? Hi. Come on out to the snow. Come on out. I don't blame you. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Let's see here. All right, so I threw a little bit of cracked corn in there to give everybody a little bit of carbs so they come out in the cold day. Everyone's loving it. Hi, Snow Boy. Okay, so I'm in the chicken coop and I've opened the door and my turkeys came out, but my chickens are a little hesitant. So I always wanted to get a good film of them outside. They haven't decided they want to come out yet, so that's fine. Maybe I'll come back a little later and get a good video. Okay, well, you can see the turkeys. Hi, turkeys. Hi, turkeys.